Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be reviewing a very popular fragrance, a summer niche, and yet again I blind bought it again. Well, not again, this is the first time I'm buying this fragrance, but the blind buy king is back with Sospiro Vibrato. And I'm saying that with that accent because it's made in Italy. Well, Italy or Italy, the way you pronounce it. So now we're going to be unboxing this. I've heard so many great reviews about this, and it is not a clone. It's more an inspired by fragrance of Bulgari Tygar, and I really adore that fragrance. That fragrance is a 10 out of 10. It's a grapefruit bomb with ambroxan, with some spices. It's very fresh, bright, and a lot of people say it smells like this, but this is like a twist of it. So without further ado, oh guys, it's already starting. Without further ado, let's unbox this and give my first impressions and also my review. As you can see, it's like a butterfly logo, and this is, if I'm not mistaken, a sister company of Xerjoff. These fragrances right here. So this must be high quality, like Xerjoff. Here you have some stickers on the sides. So 1, 2, 3. Guys, look at this. Let me see, guys. Oh, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. So this comes in like a velvet pedestal or something like that, and the bottle is very good. It's also in that velvet like type of material. Very good. I love it. Now let's put this box over here and look at this beautiful bottle, guys. It's a green velvet with some golden accents. You have the name of the house. You have Vibrato written in here. Also have Sospiro engraved in the cap. So now also the logo here, the butterfly. Now let's spray this thing. First time smelling this, guys. Very excited. Oh, the atomizer is beautiful. Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. No way. Wow. Okay, it's literally Bulgari Tygar, but with more depth into it. Wow, it has that photorealistic grapefruit opening, that kick in your face. Freshness, very uplifting. Then I get some, it's not as fresh and bright as Tygar. You definitely get some green notes in here, some white florals. Oh guys, it is very beautiful. I didn't expect it to be as close to Tygar as many people say, but it is damn close, guys. Wow, it's just fresh, uplifting, and I think there's some ambroxan in here. But now let's look at the notes of Sospiro Vibrato. First of all, the top notes are going to be grapefruit, bergamot, jasmine, and magnolia. So yeah, off the top I said, guys, very fresh, uplifting. You have a photorealistic grapefruit, and it's not just a normal grapefruit. It's like a grapefruit that you can literally smell, and it's so mouth-watering that you actually want to you want to bite it, you want to eat. It is so juicy. Guys, middle notes: ginger, herbal notes, powdery notes. So yeah, I detected some green elements in this fragrance and some white florals, jasmine, magnolia, and you also have some herbal notes. Powdery notes, maybe not now, but as this fragrance dries down, maybe I will pick up some powdery. I can kind of get the powdery notes as it's very light. It's not creamy, but it's very light, subtle, airy, slightly powdery with those white florals. So it is very light. That's what you're gonna smell like. So now in the base you have musk, cedar, amber, patchouli, and orris root. So from the notes breakdown, essentially you're going to smell very fresh, uplifting, citrusy, white floral, but not too much. The jasmine, I know jasmine from time to time can smell a little bit metallic to my nose, at least. It is not my favorite note, and when I saw that Sospiro Vibrato had jasmine in it, I was like, no, is it really going to smell a little bit like too much green, a little bit metallic, that girly jasmine? But guys, it's not like that, and I'm actually relieved that it doesn't smell like that. Ginger, herbal, powdery notes. So essentially this is a very fresh, bright, uplifting, just like Tygar. But I think this I am certain, and it is a fact, that this fragrance right here has more going on inside than Bulgari Tygar. Because Bulgari Tygar, well, let me just put this down. Because Bulgari Tygar is, I think it only has 3 notes. You have bergamot, ginger, not bergamot, grapefruit, ginger, and ambroxan. Some other sources say that they have 4 or 5 notes, but essentially it is like 3 to 5 notes max. So you're going to smell fresh with that grapefruit, and ambroxan, which gives it a very good performance, guys, and very fresh, uplifting. But this one, it has like what, 4, 3, it has over 10 notes. So this has double to triple the notes in Tygar. So obviously this is going to smell much more complex and well made together, well blended, but it still smells amazing. And Bulgari Tygar still smells amazing, even though it is simplistic. It's simple yet effective, and that's what I love about Bulgari Tygar. It is not the most complex fragrance, but at the same time, sometimes you just want to smell fresh and good without having too much notes going on. The opening, I'm telling you guys, it's like you've just took a citrus and you just want to eat it, and you bite it, and you have that juicy zest coming out and everything. That is the that is the opening. But the dry down, now it calms down, the citrus calms down, and it still stays fresh because of those white florals. You have ginger, you have some herbal notes, you have that powderiness, and you also have some slight woodiness and some slight sweetness from that amber. But overall, it is a very fresh fragrance. Now let's talk about the performance. Well, I know I just unboxed it right now, but I sprayed this and I went to see my mom to ask her opinion about this, and she was like, wow, I could already smell you from the moment you sprayed this. So before I even walked up to her, she can already smell it. So guys, that says a lot about the performance on this. The projection, I know it's gonna be a heck of a lot. It's strong as F. I'm not gonna say some bad words today. I'm feeling like a saint today. But smells amazing, projects amazing, and I'm sure the longevity on this one is also amazing, because from Fragrantica I can see that it's already long lasting, and from the people on YouTube that I see watch their content about Sospiro Vibrato, they always say that this is like amongst the top performing long lasting freshies in the niche, or even in the whole fragrance world. So I take their word, but I will also do a separate video talking about my full analysis about Sospiro Vibrato. But first impression, guys, it's a beautiful fragrance, guys. It's beautiful. If you want a fresh, very fresh, zesty, but mass appealing fragrance for the summer, guys, look no further. You have it right in front of your eyes. This is Sospiro Vibrato. I don't know how many times I said it, but guys, I really love this. And I've discovered this through Bulgari Tygar because I really love that fragrance. But I said, if this is more complex and a little bit cheaper, you can find it, well, not so cheap, but you can find this cheaper than the retail of Bulgari Tygar, which is a lot. I don't know with the conversion rates and everything, but I think it's around that $300 mark. So I got this under $300, so it is better. Okay, if I can get it for cheaper, then it's best. If you're a viewer that want to see like a comparison and say, oh, does this smell exactly like it? Does it smell similar? I'm gonna answer that question right now. Yes, it is similar. To what percentage? I cannot give you a precise percentage because in fact they're not really the same fragrance. This is inspired by, so it's gonna smell fresh, uplifting, that Bulgari Tygar DNA, but this takes it to another direction, a more powdery, slightly herbal direction. So it's not as Ambroxan heavy, and I don't, well, in the notes breakdown it doesn't even have Ambroxan, but you have that fresh, airy feel and slightly sweet ambery that you have from that Ambroxan, because you obviously have amber and musk in this one. But yeah, it's musky. If I had to choose between those two, Tygar or Sospiro Vibrato, I don't know. I'll answer that question in the full analysis of Sospiro Vibrato. And so yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to obviously like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.